Haven Moss, we got C788 led by 7274, a freshly badged Spirit of West Virginia. Home is West Virginia there, known as coal. Nice stuck horn, rolling the coal. Happy conductor. Dumping the air horn. By the time my truck brakes would have locked up from the running out of air. There's the end of the train. It's David Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. That was C7088 with 7274. A new heritage or Spirit. It used to be Spirit of Grafton, but they changed to Spirit of West Virginia. Nice new patch on it. Spitting, that's hauling a load of coal. And it's rolling some coal too. Like Blue Freddy. Thanks for watching. 72, 74. Spirit of West Virginia. C788. I want to load a coal up here. Up Powers Ridge. That's the start of Bush Creek. We need to clean up the trash down there. The creek starts kind of in the tunnel almost. Flows into the Monocacy. Flows down towards Hinesville and hits the Monocacy and the Potomac River. And on to the Chesapeake Bay. Stand over here so we're not bothered by the annoying bell. It'd be nice if they do the silent one like they have at Newport Road. That's a busy road. This is a little bit more than a driveway. It's like a community drive, really. There's only about a dozen houses back there. Got the old main guy filming on the other side. Beautiful evening, August the 12th. Debbie came through and then had a cold front come through with just a little bit more rain. And cooled off for a nice, beautiful Saturday, beautiful Sunday, and now beautiful Monday. Got up in the low 80s, but it's low humidity and cooling right off. Down 62 this morning. Almost feels like the start of fall. Just around the corner. Just a short 100 and some odd car load. I didn't get the exact count out, but it's definitely not the longing. There's no DPUs on it, but they do have 3 engines at the front. Here's one built in '89. Got the round chain hook pass through, or gets your tires down. Got a little flat spot on it. And down there you can see the greaser right there. Flange greaser, but here's the end of the train. It's got a pale blue Freddy. It's David Moss. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. There goes the train on to the tunnel.